In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A15 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by tapping on voice recorder app and before starting recording, tapping on those three dots at the top right corner. Now select settings in the pop-up and adjust all of those before recording. When you finished, you can go back and tap on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, click on bookmark over here. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and use this play button on the left. And to end it and save it on the square one on the right. Now you can name your recording however you want to and hit save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To delete it, hold it. Select delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!